every other woman had their wedding ring on. Ope did not have her wedding ring on. After I've given this woman 2 beautiful children, she decides she doesn't want to wear her ring anymore.
But baby, there's a genuine reason why I'm not wearing my ring.
Wait. When I gave my reason for not wearing my ring...
What was your ring?
Was it a genuine reason?
What was your reason?
No, it wasn't.
What was your reason?
No, it was more than pressure.
Kini, Shemo put knife to neck, Kenny.
No, it was more than pressure. You were almost making it feel like I deliberately don't want to wear a ring.
I know.
And guys,
wait.
Relax.
Okay,
let me talk.
Okay.
I'm the leader.
Okay, Oya leads.
Okay, I'm the head of this family.
Oya be the head.
Allow the head.
Oya leads.
Oya talk.
Oya leads. Welcome back. You did vexed.
Hi guys.
You did vexed.
Hi guys.
Okay, I'll do it on behalf of both of us because my husband wants to be forming vexed today. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
My name is Ayo
and I am Ope,
and together we are called
Ayope.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
You never said
once
one love.
Again,
One United. Are you that angry?
I don't know if it's One United anymore. As you've seen from the video title, okay, we're here to talk about something very serious, okay? On a normal day, I would say...
Be serious.
I'll talk about how beautiful my wife is and, you know, sing her praises a little. But today, I'm not even in the mood for any of that.
But that one is regardless. That one is regardless. Whether... No, baby, come on. Even someone who cannot see can see that. I'm more doing now. I'm more fine.
I'm more fine.
I'm more sexy.
I'm more sexy.
I'm more hot.
Hey, what beard game? Come on now. What are you talking about?
Okay.
We always argue about who got the better deal as per looks.
Oh God.
And I'm like, you definitely got the better deal.
Baby, how did I get the better deal? Do you want to bring back them photos?
What photos?
Do you want to bring? But the thing about you, baby, what I love about you is that you are aging well. The older you get, the finer you look.
I'm not fine. I've always been a fine boy. Like, I remember when I was very young, I didn't really like it. But when I was like a teenager, 13, 14, you know, older girls used to go, oh my God, pretty boy. He's so...
And you like that, sugar mommy. You like that, so you were feeling that. Were they giving you money?
I said older girls. I did not say.
You said older women, ancestors. Yeah, ancestors. Wow. Maybe we need to discuss this online because I didn't know that.
Older. Anyways.
Even now, even as I am now, honestly, even when I'm carrying Mickey and Maya in tow, they follow me, and I'm like, guys, I'm married. Like. So
guys, quick announcement, okay?
Yeah.
We want to specially invite you to a special masterclass that is happening on the 29th of August. Do you remember the title of this masterclass?
It is How to Become an Asset in Your Relationship.
Becoming an asset in your relationship, okay? If you feel like I am not an asset, I don't feel valued, I don't feel appreciated, I don't feel respected in this relationship, or if you are respected, if you are valued, and you believe you want more, you feel like I am worth more than this, we want to show you 1 or 2 things. So go and register, okay, whether you're a man, a woman, boy, a girl, single or married, in a relationship or not in any relationship, everyone can learn from this, okay? So becoming an asset in your relationship. Click the link in the description below and register, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let us dive into the video today, okay? Now, as you've seen from the title of this video, Okpayemi has not been wearing her wedding ring. Can you please show them your wedding finger? So this is Okpayemi's wedding finger, okay? She has not been wearing her wedding ring for a few months, a couple of months, if not a year now. She's not been wearing her wedding ring for a very long time, okay? First of all, I'm gonna pick something up with you guys, but I'll pick that up later, okay? As you can see, I'm wearing my wedding ring as a responsible married man. Okay. As a responsible
So I'm
husband.
irresponsible.
Now, let me speak about my irresponsible wedding.
Oh yeah, tell them.
Guys, so seriously, now you mentioned something. Let me start from here. You mentioned that you have 2 kids, okay, but still, you know, men are still on your case, and you have to explain to them, oh, excuse me, I'm married. This is one of the reasons why
I'm married. I say that I'm married to the hottest guy ever known.
Please don't try to do it.
That's what I say.
I'm still going to vex. I came to this video to vex, right? So, so she says, and I'm going to give you a typical example, right? Something happened a month or 2 ago.
Something happened.
Ladies and gentlemen, something happened a month or 2 ago. Just dip it, and then after you tell me.
Oh yeah, kilo shele. And don't exaggerate, baby.
I'm not going to exaggerate.
Oh yeah, go.
So, I told Okoyemi that I was going out with my boys, right? As usual, every now and again, I go out. You know, we have a few drinks, we eat, drink pepper soup, eat some good food, have a good laugh, and everybody goes home. Now, it just so happens that on this day that I told Okoyemi that I am meeting some of my boys, Okoyemi decided she wanted to schedule something to meet with her girls. Now, we don't even know if it was her girls that she went to meet, because so many things happened. Now, she went out. I went out. I came home, you know, as usual. I would always bring takeaway as a responsible husband.
As a responsible husband, yes.
I brought takeaway for my wife, okay? Now, I'll come back to her later, because as an irresponsible wife, she did not bring any takeaway for me. You didn't bring any takeaway for me? It was even one of her friends that was like, oh, no, actually, her sister. So when we went out with her sister and 2 of her friends, and it was even her sister that was telling me, oh, didn't Ope give you some? I was like, no, Ope didn't give me, she did not give me anything. And she was like, oh, okay, she was supposed to. So, irresponsible.
Strike one, okay.
Me, irresponsible.
Okay. All right.
Then, as we were going in the car, I'll tell you what happened that day. What happened that day was we were going to watch the finals. I was going to watch the finals, exactly, of the England's match, isn't it? Of the what league is that again?
Is it UEFA or something?
No, not UEFA.
Euros.
Yeah, of the Euros. So
Euros is UEFA now.
No, it's not UEFA.
If I'm right, don't cut this out.
Please don't make me laugh.
As a responsible man. As a responsible man. If I'm right.
UEFA. Anyways, I don't blame you. Your husband is not a football guy like that. So UEFA is something. That's Champions League. UEFA Champions League.
Is it not you that told me that it's Arsenal United?
That joke. Anyways, guys, listen. You're spoiling this.
Okay. Because you're angry.
So, let me tell you the gist now. So it was I was going to watch the Champions League. No, not Champions League. The Euro match finals at my brother-in-law's place. So as soon as Okoyemi came back with her sister, I decided to take her sister home. Okay.
As a responsible
husband. So as we were driving home now, you know, gisting, you know, as usual, my sister-in-law is Ayo as well. So, oh, Ayo, how are you? You know, namesake, would always bond, would always laugh, you know. And she was just like, Ayo, let me gist you.
So my sister was a very irresponsible sister.
Said, no.
She was very irresponsible.
She said, no, she calls me by my nickname. Anyways, let me not tell you guys what my nickname is. So she called my nickname, like, let me gist you. Did Okoyemi tell you? I said, Okoyemi did not tell me anything, no.
Maybe she was talking about Okoyemi, not Ope. You know, they're 2 different...
She said, did Ope tell you what happened and where they went? I said, Ope did not tell me what happened, where they went. So it just so happened that they went, the 4 of them, okay? Every other woman had their wedding ring on. Okoyemi did not have her wedding ring on. And Ayo tells me that there was somebody, one man, that was on Okoyemi's case. He said this man will not let her go. He said this man came to the table just saying, I so much admire you. I so much like you. Oh, I so much want to know you better.
Yeah, beautiful.
Can
woman.
I be your friend? You are a very beautiful woman.
Facts.
Your type is rare to
Facts.
find. And I'm thinking,
Facts.
This guy is about to collect my wife.
God forbid.
This guy is about to beat. As I was telling me, I was just like, okay. I mean, it's normal to get a few, but he said they were at that place for like 2 hours, and this guy kept going and coming. Is there anything I can get you? Is there anything I can buy for you? I just want you to be okay. Fine girl like you should not be doing. What is the reason? The reason why he came to you
It's because of
out of the 4 is because you were not wearing a wedding ring.
So that was the common denominator.
So he now thought that this is one woman, maybe just a baby mama, you know, no husband, no boyfriend, nobody in her life. Let me come and help her, and you know. So that is the only reason for that. So I'm not against the fact that, you know, the man is juicing you or the man that toast you. In fact, I feel good about that. That, you know, my wife, after almost 8 years, she still looks so good after 2 children that, you know,
she didn't get worse in your hands.
Yeah, she got better. Obviously, I upgraded you.
Let me upgrade.
So I think that is kudos to me for doing a good job. Like my wife looks so good that you know she still gets.
No one take any glory. Oh, thank you Jesus for making me look good. It's not you.
Excuse me, thank you Jesus. But did Jesus make you look good like that from heaven? Jesus gave me the resources to look after you to make you look good.
So you've been taking care of me, is what you're saying.
I have been taking care of you.
Okay,
but I'm not taking care of you so that other men can be complimenting you. And I just thank God that at least I compliment my wife.
Yeah.
True. But anyway, so that's what happened. Okay.
So that got you upset.
That got me. No, you know. Obviously, you just got me thinking that you're not wearing this wedding ring.
So you think that was the common denominator?
Yeah. What do you mean a common denominator?
Like that was the only thing that could have made him.
Yeah.
Give him.
If you're wearing a ring, he'll clearly see that you're married. So tell the story now.
So let's take it back to when you weren't wearing a ring. Do you know why Ayo's upset?
Okay.
Ayo's upset. Basically, he's upset at you guys. He's actually upset at you guys.
No, I'll come back to them after. Okay, go on.
He's upset at you guys because true. When Ayo wasn't wearing his ring, you people were in the comments, in the DM. Why doesn't Ayo wear his ring? I like you people, Sha. You're really advocating for me, but for me, not one person has mentioned it. Not
and this
one
is for months.
single person. And it was, I think that's what hurt you more, baby, that double standard.
Okay, let's get something straight. First of all, nothing hurts me, okay? I'm not angry, okay? Nothing hurts me.
Okay.
But
that's what made you start
it just got me thinking, right?
Yeah.
And we just said, okay, let us come and share this story. Obviously, we like a little story time, isn't it? So it just got me thinking that, okay, when I was not wearing my wedding ring, right? First of all, you made a fuss about it.
Yes.
It was a major issue. My wife kept complaining that I should replace my wedding ring, and we shared the video. If you've not watched it, go and watch it.
Go and watch it. Yeah.
There's a video where I finally got the ring, and you know, we did something. I'll put a link there. You guys should watch it if you've not watched it. That was one of our first videos actually, so about 4 years ago.
Oh yeah.
So go and watch that video. We tell the story about why I wasn't wearing my wedding ring 4 years ago. Fast forward 4 years after I've given this woman 2 beautiful children, she decides she doesn't want to wear her ring anymore.
But baby, there's a genuine reason why I'm not wearing my ring.
Wait. There's a genuine reason why she's not wearing her ring, she says. When I gave my reason for not wearing my ring...
What was your ring?
Was it a genuine reason?
What was your reason?
No, it wasn't.
What was your reason?
The reason I wasn't wearing... Oh, so you guys need to go and watch the story.
You can't even say with a straight face.
The reason I wasn't wearing my ring was... I explained, okay, that in the summer, and up till now, obviously, I changed my ring to a loose ring. So my old ring was very tight right from when I bought it, right? So literally I went 2 sizes up to this ring that I'm using now. So when it was in the summer, not even summer, I could not wear that ring. In fact, as soon as we got married, right, I used to wear the ring and take it off, wear the ring and take it off, okay? And now in the summer it was so bad that it got really itchy and really tight.
Yours wasn't a medical reason, mine is a medical
I don't know about medical. It got really tight, I had to take it off. In the process, ladies and gentlemen, I actually lost my ring, okay? And that's why I wasn't wearing the ring.
In the process of taking it off.
And then
anyway, let's not go back to that. It
costs money to actually replace the ring. This ring, this is gold, you know, this is expensive stuff. We're not buying, Panda. We're not buying all those, I wish it looks like gold, you know, wanna be gold. So it's proper gold, so I literally had to save some money to get a new ring. Now, let's bring it back to a situation.
So let me tell you what happened where I had to take off my ring. So, and it was actually a dangerous situation. It was a serious one, baby. So I'm actually quite surprised that you're making a big deal out of this, especially because I nearly had to go to the hospital because of it. Oh, you don't remember?
Say, well, you're not wearing the ring. I don't know this one a story.
So basically,
my mind is already made up because in my own turn you made noise. A responsible husband a responsible wife must wear her ring.
Baby, okay, listen. But tell me, oh, Anyway, listen. So what happened, right, is that early this year, we decided to eat some lobster. And it was lobster, prawns, and some other stuff. And then in the middle of the night, I woke up. I was like, my throat is hurting. My everything was just tingling. My body was itching. This one was snoring away. So I went to the bathroom and I looked at my face. I was like, is it me or is this face, is it swollen up? You're laughing. So I woke her up. I said, Nene, I think something's wrong with my face. This is exactly what Ayo did. Jesus! That's what he did. So how do you think I felt? Okay, so I now quickly ran downstairs. I was like, I need antihistamine, I need something. At that time, my hand was itching. I was like, what's going on? I tried to pull off my ring. Guys, I could not get it off. My ring was stuck. My hand was throbbing. My tongue was throbbing. Everything swelled up. So when I eventually took off my ring, I said, I can't put this back on. The next day, after I'd gone to the doctors and everything, they told me it was an allergic reaction. When I tried to put my ring back on, it did not go on. And that's what happened. Okay, so, it went on, but it was tight, right? Very tight. And there's times where you've put it on, but you've taken it off. Am I right or right? There's times where you've put the ring on, but you've taken it off. So it's not like the ring cannot stay. Mm-hmm. You just feel like it is uncomfortable. It is uncomfortable. And because it is uncomfortable, you decide to take it off. When my ring was uncomfortable and I took it off, it was an issue. The difference between yours and mine is that you could take yours on and off. I couldn't. So when I you can take. We can test it now. You can take yours on and off. Yeah. So you made noise about it. Me, I've not made any noise about it. You know what can make this better? Wait. Just to let you guys know, I've never made any noise about this. Even though some men are going to restaurants and want to take care of my wife for me, I reject that in the name of Jesus. They cannot take care of me. No man will take care of my wife for me. Amen. They cannot take care of me. This man is toasting you and men are coming to you because, I don't know, maybe even in another video, we're going to have to discuss this properly. Definitely. Because I was under I personally think that, I would have thought that he would have assumed that I was married. No, why would he assume? But I told him anyway. I was like, so you're like, so she had to explain that. My husband's married. My husband's name is Ayo Davis. I hope you showed him my photo. Let him know that fine boy, Lomo. Okay. So that your husband is handsome and very rich. You cannot intimidate. So you should have shown me the photo and said, look at my husband. In fact, maybe our wedding photo needs to be your screenshot. If you know you're not wearing this ring, right? Everything that you can show that you're married needs to be shown. Or maybe I should wear that t-shirt every day that says Mrs. Davis. Yes. Married to my other half. Married to my best half since we have so many t-shirts. We have one that says married since 2013. Happy wife. We have so many, so you don't be wearing it, okay? So that we can keep these vultures away. Oh God. Up until you start wearing your ring again, because I don't know now if it's that she doesn't want to wear a ring anymore. No, I will. Guess what? Guys, she has lost her wedding band. No, God, because women have 2 rings, men have 1. First of all, I don't even know why that is the case. Baby, you're just coming out here to out me, right? I don't know why that is the case, that women have 2, men have 1. So she has 2. Now she cannot find the main wedding band. That's an issue. That was me. Which we have to discuss later. That was Mickey or Maya. One of them have taken it. I remember it's pretty. Oh, mommy, this looks so pretty. And then it wasn't me now, it's the children. So, because of the children, now you've lost wedding ring. First of all, I'm not replacing that because you were irresponsible enough to take it off. You are replacing it on. So you have to be responsible enough to put it back on. Okay, so I'm the responsible husband, and as a responsible husband, I am understanding. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, don't get it twisted. I'm understanding that this ring does not fit. This ring is tight. It would be foolish of me. And I have to use palm oil to take the ring off. Yeah, you have to do that a few times, isn't it? To use like oil to take it off, not palm oil, vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. So it would be foolish of me and very inconsiderate to say, oh, you have to wear your wedding ring, okay? And this is where, as a couple, you understand each other, you trust each other, okay? Because whether we like it or not, I believe, and that's why I said we probably have to look at this on another video. Definitely. So that we can dive into this proper. There's different standards. I feel like there's kind of double standards. I agree. For the men and for the women, right? And I also know that
men, before they approach a woman, they look there.
Yeah.
And if they cannot see anything that says that this woman is in any committed relationship, the man feels, I have a chance to win this woman.
But
which is why I believe this guy at that point, until you told him I'm married, he saw that, okay, 4 fine girls on the table, one of them is not married, let me go for her. Now, it might also just be that, okay, he likes you because it's not like everybody looks the same, isn't it? Mm-hmm. But I feel like that was an added advantage. And disadvantage on your part.
I agree.
Because you didn't have the ring on. So what are we going to do from today? We're going to wear our ring.
We're not going to go to restaurants with our friends anymore.
What we're going to do from today is that we're going to wear our ring. But yeah, I feel like it just creates an opportunity for us to trust each other.
I do.
The ring is not... Sorry, go on.
I do feel like it's an opportunity to trust each other. And then also, it helps us to also understand our triggers. Like, for me, at that time, I was genuinely upset with you. So I was actually genuinely upset, and I did put that pressure on you.
Now that this has happened, right? What would you have done differently 4 years ago?
I think I wouldn't have put so much pressure on you.
No, it was more than pressure.
Kini, Shemo put knife to neck, Kenny.
No, it was more than pressure. You were almost making it feel like I deliberately don't want to wear a ring.
I know.
And guys,
wait.
Relax.
Okay,
let me talk.
Okay.
I'm the leader.
Okay, Oya leads.
Okay, I'm the head of this family.
Oya be the head.
Allow the head.
Oya leads.
Oya talk.
Oya leads. Okay, I also feel like I have also grown since then. Like, a lot of things that bother me, because little things can bother me. It's not even big things that bother me. I think a lot of little things that bothered me then don't really bother me now. So
what was your issue then? Was it that I was going to be exposed to girls?
No, because I've now seen that.
So did you genuinely think that this guy is trying to act single? Because sometimes that's what you insinuated. Like,
no,
wear the ring. Why you not wearing the ring? You know, and I was explaining that I take this thing off and I put it back on. No,
yeah.
You know, until I now lost it, which now meant I had to replace it. I had to order it online. Go and watch the video, guys. Go and watch it. Yeah.
I felt like at that time that was a symbol of our marriage, of our commitment, which I still do feel. Which is why I take it on myself to say that yes, me too, I should wear my ring. But that was not the be all end all of our commitment. What are you doing? That's not the be all end all. So,
fair enough. So, and I think you mentioned 2 things there, right? So you have now grown to understand, which is why as couples, just pulling out some lessons. As couples, right? Some of the things that you were arguing about,
definitely
5 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, right? You will grow out of,
definitely,
because there's some arguments that you cannot win. There's some things that you cannot change. There's some facts, behaviors that you would grow to accept. So
Agreed.
The things that were irritating me about you 5 years ago.
Not that there were any.
No, I don't want to mention. There's
nothing. There's nothing.
Still some, but let me not embarrass
my life. Perfect.
So some things, maybe habits or some things that she used to do that I would really get angry about.
Yeah. She
has not stopped doing them, but I'm no longer angry about them. I have now come to accept
that this is part of me.
That this is part of, and that is growth.
Growth.
So what annoyed you 4 years ago will not annoy you now.
True.
If it does, you might want to check whether you're growing. I'm not saying that it means that you've not grown as a couple, but you should not. Individually, have you grown
in patience? Have you grown in tolerance? Have you grown in compromise, in sacrifice? And these are things for yourself. So it's no longer me saying, Ayo needs to be more patient. It's me saying I need to be more patient. Absolutely.
And the thing is, if you grow as an individual, and I grow as an individual, then as a couple we grow. Do you understand? This is how you grow in a relationship. Okay, so it is very important for us to develop ourselves. We develop ourselves more emotionally and in all areas of life, and that's why this is not an issue. right?
It's actually not.
So she's not been wearing her wedding ring. I understand why she's not wearing her wedding ring. I trust her. I know that she's not trying to attract men or anything like that, even though some men are now attracting.
And especially because, you know, in 2 years when we do our 10th year wedding anniversary in Mauritius, you're going to propose to me again with a wedding ring. So it doesn't really matter.
So what's just annoying me is that if everything doesn't go back, you know, how they're supposed to be, I might have to buy a new wedding ring. You know, that's what
I know.
So is the financial impact?
That's the cocoa of the matter.
Is the financial impact for me? So I'll now buy a new engagement ring
on top
and wedding ring. Do you know how much that is? Oh, but please, let's just go and get.
But you know that, baby, on a real though, you know that every 10 years in a marriage to
because you want to say rubbish. just be like that.
Maybe every 10
Nothing
years,
happens every 10 years.
You're supposed to buy a new ring, golden, diamond, etc., etc. Seriously.
Okay. We look at that. So, anyways.
Those are the things that we teach in premarital. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Guys, so so I just came to rant and we just came to tell this story quickly. Okay. Leave a comment. Let us know your thoughts. Should I be angry? Okay, that my wife is not wearing her wedding ring and you know she's attracting men. Okay. April men, all these men with big chests. Me, I don't have chest. Thank God. I have to go and get my own chest.
So, I love you, okay?
You know, it's making me feel insecure.
Never.
You're making me feel insecure in myself, man.
Fine to it. The weirdest of them all.
You're bringing
bringing
out my insecurity.
Never. Shining
I'm
skin.
losing confidence in myself.
Never. My husband, fine boy, no pimples.
I don't like that.
The weirdest of them all. Look at his nose pointing. Pointing nose.
Excuse me, is that
pointing nose? Cheekbones. I always say to him that he can be
pointing nose. Is that supposed to be a compliment?
Yes, you know when it points at the top. I always say to him that he can be you know those models, you know those hair relaxer models, the men ones, you know, with their shape
hair
of
relaxer, me that I don't have hair. You see that this woman is throwing shades.
Baby,
I don't like that. The man that came to meet you that time, does he have hair?
Does he? Did I look at him? What's my own?
Anyways, guys, okay, it has been a quick video about why she doesn't wear her wedding ring and why I have every right, I believe, to be angry.
To be vexed.
In fact, to even say that I'm not doing anymore.
You're not doing what?
This marriage thing.
They joke. Me and you together for life.
For life.
For life.
Okay.
Anymore. Let's sing our welcome song. You know, sometimes we get comment and we love it. Guys, if you're actually new here, can you let us know? Because people come privately or, you know, they send a message, I'm new here, I'm new. No. We want you to let us know in the comments so everybody can welcome you. Yeah. And also because we've got this special song for you.
Okay. 5, 6, 7.
We're glad you came, we welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life.
We're glad
you came, we welcome you. We hope you learn a thing or two as you join us on this journey through marriage, faith, and life. Say marriage, faith, and life.
Marriage, faith, and life. Say
marriage, faith, and life.
Marriage, faith, and life. Say marriage, faith, and life. We love you guys, but God loves you more.
Definitely.
Thank you for watching. We shall see you in the next video.
Bye.